Hi, hello traders, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about a new indicator setup that will be helping for the traders to trade in options. If you are an option trader but you don't know what is the option decay movements happening in the options, while we are seeing in the index, we don't know, right? So this indicator will be helping you to directly make the analysis with the option Greek calculations. So our technical team has designed this indicator more enhanced with the option Greek calculations with some mathematical calculations included with it. So whenever the market is giving you a good movements, through this indicator you can easily identify what is the high probable entries to be entered in the market for each and every day. So this indicator will be showing you exact zones that will be turning when the market is going to give a good movement. So every details we will be seeing in this video. I wish every traders to watch this video till the end, then only you can understand how to use this indicator. And if you have any other doubts about this indicator also, you can comment below this video. And if you want to know more details about this indicator, WhatsApp us right now on the screen displayed number. So our technical team will be helping you how to get access to this indicator also. So we will be discussing the full details in this video. Until that, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button. Then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. To get more information about trading and indicator setups, follow us on Instagram and our Telegram channel. The links are in bio. As we are an experienced trader in market and making more analysis, we are sharing our own knowledge in this video. We does not recommend any financial advices in this video. We are not an SEBI registered advisor. We strongly encourage traders to learn and do your own analysis and research before making any investment in the market. And always understand market involves high risk. Based on the volatility, market might also be changing high volatile in any time. So try to make your own analysis and make your own decision. So now I have included our indicator in Nifty chart with 5 minutes time frame. So the name of this indicator is OTM Greeks liquidity scanner. If you go to the settings of this indicator, you will be having an option to select the symbol. So here if you click on the drop down, you will be having an option for Nifty, Bank Nifty, Midcap, Fin Nifty, Sensex as well as BankX. So these are the index which we have included right now. So through all these index options, you can go and make the calculation and you can make the analysis with this indicator easily. So as of now, I have chosen Nifty as a main index. So based on the Nifty index only, I am going to analyze with these options of Nifty. So I am just clicking on another option down. You can see the options. So in this option, I am choosing OTM. So based on the OTM strike prices, these calculations are going to happen. So that only I am selecting OTM. So this is the default setup. So always try to use OTM as a default setup. And here you will be having another option for spot ATM. To choose the spot ATM, every day morning before market opens, a pre-market session will be ended, right? So at that time you will be having the open price. Try to note that open price and based on that calculate the spot ATM for the particular open price, and that OTM, that is the spot ATM we need to input for this indicator. So as of now, to know the last day, I am just taking an example of 12th September 2025 9:15 candle. So to know the what is the exact open price, I am going for the extended trading hours. So if you see while market opening, so in the 9:5, this is the fixed timing, right? So this is where the open price is there, 25,074. So for us, the ATM's selection of Nifty 50/50, there is an index. So I am just selecting 25,050 as the ATM spot in. So the spot ATM I have given here 25,050. So every day morning, this is the basic setup we need to do. Every day we are just going to select the spot ATM based on the open price of first candle. So open price 25,074. So I have given 25,050 as the ATM option selection. So this is the basic setup we need to do. And in the expiry, I have given the current week expiry. This is the current week expiry of Nifty. So I have selected this, and entry bar color, so I will be explaining it later, as well as the show previous zone I will be explaining it later. So let us go with this indicator now. I am just clicking on regular trading hours. So once you see this indicator, you will be having two pan. In the above there will be a chart, and in the chart itself you will be having the zones as well as bar colors, and in the below pan you will be having three boxes. I think now you can see these three boxes. So in the above box it will be denoting you the call option values, and in the below box it will be showing you the put option values. So these values are based on some mathematical calculation which I have previously discussed here. That is based on the option Greeks calculations we have designed this, and the difference of it will be plotted in the middle box. The middle box will be showing the difference of both the call option and put option average. So now based on the middle box only we are making the decision, and we are going to conclude where we need to enter the market. Every details will be there based on the middle box only. So once you see the middle box, you will be having the color lime color as well as purple color. So the lime color will be denoted once the difference value is below 35, it will be in a lime color. This purple color will be denoted once the value is more than 35, then it will be changing to purple color. So this is why we have made this color changes. So no need to confuse with the colors. We need to make the confirmations with the values first of all. Whenever you are getting a lime color, we should wait for the values to be below below 10. That is why once we get the value below 10, then only we are having some opportunity in the market. Until that we will be waiting more patient. There is no entry for us. Whenever we are getting the candles, we should be watching the candles, no problem. We are not getting any entries until we get the values below 10, then only there is an opportunity in the market. So at that time what our indicator will be denoting as, we can see the top box as well as the bottom box, call option box as well as put option box. In that we should have the value of the call option to be negative and put option to be negative. So if you are getting this type of scenario, at that time our indicator will be plotting a zone in the candle. So it will be plotting the high and low of the candle, which is marked as a decision candle. This is a decision candle because in call option minus 21 and put option minus 27, and in the middle box difference you are having below 10. So this is the exact decision candle. So our indicator will be plotting you the zone for you. It is dynamically plotted levels, so we are not plotting any manual levels here. This indicator automatically plots you once the decision candle is happening. So in this decision candle it will be plotting you the zone, and we need to wait for the candles to break out or break down. So then only we will be having some entry opportunities. So we should be wait more patient. Even if you see here in 10-10 candle we got a breakout. Here the candle has been breakout from the zone. So here either we should enter here, this is the question, right? But we should not enter here. Why? Because till the box center box is in lime, there is no high movements will not be there in the market. That is what it denotes. So still the option decay might happen. So if we want to enter into the options, we should have a high movements, right? So that will be denoted once the market changes to purple color. In the middle box, if the box changes to purple, then only you will be getting the high probable entry confirmation. That is why till now there is no any other signal for the candle color change. So once you are getting the purple color change, then only our indicator will be denoting you the perfect breakout candle. So for that we have denoted the candle color itself to be purple. Once you get this color change and the breakout is confirmed and still the candle is inside this zone, then only it is a valid buy entry now, because this is a buy breakout. If the market is breaking downside, you can go for sell side entries. So now as per index you are getting the buy confirmation, that you can also take call option buying or put option selling. If you are a seller, you can go for this entry. This is a valid entry. Every time when you take an entry, try to If you want minimum stop loss, try to maintain the stop loss below that breakout candle with some buffer points. Or if you want to have a good risk reward ratio, and if you want to go for a long trade, then keep the stop loss below the zone. Every time once you take the entry, always try to hit 1:2 risk reward ratio for each and every trade. That is what the perfect confirmation. And if you are trading with the 1:2 risk reward ratio, sure, in a month wise, if you see, even if some stop losses hitted also, you will be in a profit the month end. So that is what the matter, because 1:2 risk reward is a basic risk reward ratio we should have for each and every trade. Whatever strategy you are following, at least 1:2 risk reward ratio should be there. So that is why we are maintaining 1:2 risk reward ratio for this. Same for this entry also. So almost 1:2 risk reward ratio has been reached here. And if you are maintaining a small stop loss, and you can go for a small target, and if you have kept the stop loss below the candle low, then your 1:2 risk reward ratio will be reached here itself. It will be a small target and a small stop loss. So like this also you can trade. Okay, so this is a valid entry for you. Okay, and now, as of now, we have seen the entry has been triggered by the decision candle, that is both the sides, the call option and put option, to be in a minus, right? So it does not mean we should only take this high probable entries. The candle should be having the value of call option and put option to be negative, and the value of the middle box should be less than 10. It does not matter, we should take only that entry, but this is the high probable entry. Our indicator setup will be showing only this high probable entries with this indicator setup. If there is no entry for the day, then there will be no high probable entries. That is what it matters, and we no need to worry that market is giving some movement but indicator is not giving any signal. We no need to worry, because as per our setup, as per our analysis, this indicator, whatever it is happening, that is what we should follow. That is what as per the analysis only we have kept here. If you want to make some other opportunities in the market with this indicator, you can also take the entries which are below the, if the value is below 10, you can also watch that particular candle, even if the call option and put option is not in negative, both not in negative, but you can see put option is negative but call option is in positive. Even though we can also mark this candle, because this is also some of the decision candle, but it is not an high probable entry. So we can also mark this decision candle. Okay. Okay, got it. So once we have marked this decision candle, we should wait for the middle difference box to be in a purple, right? So here only we got the middle box to be purple. Again, you can see here in this 145 candle only we got the confirmation that it changes to purple. So this is the entry confirmation for this particular non-high probable entry decision, because in this decision candle we are not getting both the call option and put option to be negative, even though we are considering this as a decision candle, right? So this is not that much high probable entry, but we can easily analyze the direction of market by this indicator easily. If you are watching the market throughout the day, you can also use these opportunities to analyze the market direction easily. So you can see after the breakdown, the market says to be in a downside trend. So the day fully ended with the sideways movements. There is no other movements. So these are all the most important things which we need to follow for understanding this indicator. And I hope you all understood about the full strategy setup. And if you have any other doubts also, you can comment below. And another feature included with this indicator is every time we no need to watch the market for the high probable entry confirmation. You can also fix alert with this indicator for this purple candle confirmation. So this purple candle confirmation will be coming once after the decision candle with the breakout only, right? So this is the high probable entry which we have denoted because we are getting the confirmations with both the call option and put option, both values are negative, and our middle box is also below 10. So this is the decision candle. So for this decision candle breakout with the purple confirmation, so that is what it is denoted in the purple candle. So for this purple candle, we have also given an alert confirmation. So it is easy for a user to just keep an alert for all the index, and wherever the opportunity is getting for you, you can then go to the market and you can make the entry confirmation. So I have explained all the details. If you have any other doubts, comment below this video, and if you want to know more details about this indicator, join our Telegram channel. We are posting all the live examples, whatever happens in daily market. We are trying to post with our indicator setups in our Telegram channel. I wish every traders to join our Telegram channel, and if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button. Then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. Thank you, traders.